Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a present continuous tense quiz. If you haven't watched part 1, make sure you do. I link it down in the description box below. Let's begin. Question 1. She dash a book right now. The correct option is A. Is not reading. She is not reading a book right now. Question 2. I dash TV at the moment. The correct option is C. Am not watching. I am not watching TV at the moment. Question 3. They dash football in the park. The correct option is A. Are not playing. They are not playing football in the park. Question 4. We dash English now. The correct option is B. Are not studying. We are not studying English now. Question 5. The baby dash in the bed. The correct option is B. Is not sleeping. The baby is not sleeping in the bed. Question 6. My mother dash dinner right now. The correct option is C. Is not cooking. My mother is not cooking dinner right now. Question 7. I dash an email at the moment. The correct option is A. Am not writing. I am not writing an email at the moment. Question 8. They dash in the playground. The correct option is C. Are not running. They are not running in the playground. Question 9. He dashed the piano now. The correct option is A. Is not playing. He is not playing the piano now. Question 10. We dash in the pool. The correct option is B. Are not swimming. We are not swimming in the pool. Question 11. The teacher dash to the students. The correct option is B, is not talking. The teacher is not talking to the students. Question 12. I dash on the chair. The correct option is C, am not sitting. I am not sitting on the chair. Question 13. The children dash pictures now. The correct option is A. The children are not drawing pictures now. Question 14. She dash beautifully. The correct option is C, is not dancing. She is not dancing beautifully. Question 15. We dash to music. The correct option is A, are not listening. We are not listening to music. Question 16. The dog loudly at present. The correct option is B, is not barking. The dog is not barking loudly at present. Question 17. I dash new words today. The correct option is B, am not learning. I am not learning new words today. Question 18. They dash for the bus now. The correct option is C, are not waiting. They are not waiting for the bus now. Question 19. My father dashed the car now. The correct option is A, is not driving. My father is not driving the car now. Question 20. You dash my bag. The correct option is C, are not holding. You are not holding my bag. Question 21. The boys dash a song. The correct option is A, are not singing. The boys are not singing a song. Question 22. She dash her hands now. The correct option is B, is not washing. She is not washing her hands now. Question 23. We dash a movie tonight. The correct option is B, are not watching. We are not watching a movie tonight. Question 24. The man dashed the car. The correct option is C, is not fixing. The man is not fixing the car. Question 25. I dash your message right now. The correct option is C, am not reading. I am not reading your message right now. That's it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.